OpenClaw setup, install, and configure. In today's video, I'm going to walk you step by step through OpenClaw setup, installing and configuring it in a clear, beginner-friendly way. By the end of this video, you will have OpenClaw running properly, configured correctly, and ready to use. But before we get into the tutorial, let's talk about OpenClaw and what OpenClaw actually is. OpenClaw is an open source AI agent framework that allows you to run autonomous AI workflows using large language models like Claude, and instead of just chatting with AI, OpenClaw lets you automate tasks, process instructions, and just build structures that are AI-driven workflows. Think of it as a lightweight AI automation layer that connects to powerful language models through an API key. Now let's set it up properly. You could install OpenClaw on your personal computer, but there's the problem, your PC isn't running 24/7. So if you shut it down, your automation stops. If your system crashes, then everything just goes offline. And that is why we use a VPS, which is a virtual private server. A VPS is basically a remote computer hosted in the cloud. It runs continuously, so it's isolated from your personal files, and you don't need to buy additional hardware. This means that you can have OpenClaw online 24/7 and your personal computer stays clean and unaffected. You don't need a dedicated AI machine at home. This setup is perfect if you plan to run background AI agents, bots, or just automation workflows. For this tutorial, we're going to use Hostinger because it's beginner friendly and affordable. First, just go to Hostinger's official website. You're going to see OpenClaw and you're just going to see this little option here which says pick a VPS plan to deploy OpenClaw. You can go ahead and choose KVM2 for Windows, click on deploy. Now this is going to ask you to create an account or just simply log in if you already have an Hostinger account. You're going to see your plan and you can simply just even change your plan to 1 month or 24 months. An entire year plan is really good because you don't have to pay in installments and it's honestly great. Just simply click on continue. It's going to ask you for card details or payment methods. Once you're done with that, you are going to log into your account. Now once you go over with the payment method and just create an account for yourself, you are going to go over to your domains. Now once you actually create an account, it's going to ask you to enter an API key, and you can just get that from Claude. And once you're in the account, you're going to go over to your VPS. You're going to see OpenClaw right here. Click on manage. Now once you're in the account, after entering the API key, simply go over to VPS from your main dashboard. You're going to see this, the only VPS that you have. You're going to click on manage. And you're going to see Docker Manager, going to click on projects, and right here you have OpenClaw. Simply just click on open. Now this is going to take you to the link and there's going to be a gateway token. You're simply just going to copy that and paste it in so you log in and everything is kept confidential. Just don't lose the key because once you do, it's really hard to get into it. Now that you're actually inside OpenClaw, you can go with the overview of the dashboard and what actually is going on with this application. There's going to be an overview of the entire tool. It's going to show you the sessions and snapshots, gateway access, and all that. You can also refresh it so you get a new gateway access. Now once we go over to channels, this is just going to show you all the applications that are available, and if you've just made automations and attached them with it, there's going to be instances. This is basically just to connect your clients and nodes. You can also refresh this if you added one more. Now once you're in the chat box, you can simply just give it a command and even just ask it to generate or just write a blog post outline about productivity or summarize a certain document and just attach the file. We're gonna type in an example prompt like write a blog on productivity. simply click on send, and the AI is going to take a few seconds to a few minutes and simply provide you with the blog. And you can see the blog is being generated. Simply just copy it to your notes, or if you're using it for an assignment, you can also do that. If you want it to summarize it, then you can also ask that, like, summarize it. As you can see, everything is working and set in your place. This is how you can basically set OpenClaw up using Hostinger. It's affordable, reliable, and all of it can be worked. Now, if you're new to OpenClaw, here's the best approach that you can do, especially if you're a beginner. First is to start with a simple task. You can just simply ask it to perform simple tasks, like write you a summary of meeting notes, or just write you a blog post, and also just test the API connection if it's actually connected and everything is working within the server. Also confirm if responses are working. If it's not, then you might have some connection problems, or maybe the API isn't connected properly. Also, just add your logging, and then finally just gradually build multi-step workflows. Don't try to automate everything on day one. Start small and just scale up. And once you get used to it, you can go ahead and automate bigger workflows or just have it perform bigger tasks. To confirm everything works properly, send a test prompt through OpenClaw's interface like this. If it returns a valid AI-generated response, your setup is complete. If something doesn't work, then just double check your API key, confirm dependencies installed correctly, and just make sure your server has internet access, because most issues come from small configuration mistakes. And that is it, your complete OpenClaw setup guide. Install and configure using a VPS and just connecting it to a free API key. And that is it, your complete OpenClaw setup guide. Install and configure using a VPS, and this is how you set OpenClaw up using Hostinger, so that it is running securely in the cloud 24/7 without extra hardware. Before we officially wrap up this tutorial, I want to share a few extra tips to help you get the most out of what you just learned. First, don't just watch, practice. Open the tool, try the steps we went over, experiment with the settings, and see how things work for yourself. The more you experiment, the more confident you'll get, and the faster you'll improve as well. If you run into any questions, challenges, or errors while following along, drop a comment down below. Even if it's something small, asking questions is the fastest way to learn and master new skills. Also, if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss future step-by-step guides like this. I post new tutorials regularly, and subscribing helps you stay up to date with the latest tools, tips, and tricks. Finally, also think about how you can use what you learned today in your own projects, work, or business. Apply these steps creatively and see what unique results you can achieve. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope this tutorial helped you. Remember to comment your questions or ideas, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.